With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Today's question is an assertion and reason type of question. So for that we have given 4 options. With this 4 option we have to select any one option which correctly suits the question. So what the assertion says here, vascular cambium of dicot stem shows dual origin, and the reason says that partially it is made up of primary meristem and partially it is made up of secondary meristem. So to answer this question, first we have to know the basic knowledge about the cambium, vascular tissues, etc. So we have 2 types of vascular tissues in dicot stem. One is xylem, another one is phloem. Xylem will transport water, minerals, etc. and phloem will transport food, that is sugar, etc. So in between the xylem and phloem tissues, a tissue was present that is called as intravascular cambium. So that is vascular cambium. So a tissue was present that is called as intravascular cambium. So these all tissues are present in the primary stage. So in the primary meristem. So after the growth of the secondary growth, that is secondary meristem, after the division of the secondary meristem, this xylem and phloem will develop, and this intravascular will develop as intervascular tissue. What is this intra and intervascular? So in the state of primary meristem, it is present in between the xylem and phloem like a ray, but in the when secondary meristem growth is happening, on that time intervascular meristem will develop. So this intervascular meristem, intervascular cambium, will present all over the xylem and phloem. It will cover the xylem and phloem. So it should be like continuous string. So this is not discontinuous. Intravascular is discontinuous, but intervascular is like continuous string. So what happens here is, during the primary meristem, this intervascular cambium is developed, but during the secondary growth, that is secondary meristematic growth, so this intravascular will develop into intervascular, and it will form a continuous string like a medullary race. So it will form a medullary race like this. So this is what happens here. So with this knowledge we are going to answer the question. So what the assertion says here, vascular cambium of dicot stem shows dual origin. Yes, it's showing dual origin. First it develops from primary meristem, and then it develops from secondary meristem during the secondary growth. So reason says that partially it is made up of primary meristem. Yes, this is true. Now only we talk about that. And partially from secondary meristem. Yes, this is right, because during the development of secondary meristem, some primary meristem will be left on that. So they are partially made of, right? So assertion is true and the reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. So which is the right answer here? Option A, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, is the right answer. And option B says that if both assertion and reason are true but the reason is a correct explanation, so here is not a correct explanation. So this is not the right answer, because they are not a correct explanation, because they say they are not a correct explanation. And option C says that if assertion is true but the reason is false, so this is also not the right answer, because both are false. Both are true. Option D says that both are false. This is also not the right answer. So which is the right answer here? That is option A. Assertion and reason are true. Yes, vascular cambium of dicot stem shows dual origin because they are partially made of primary and secondary meristem. So if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, is the right answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.